guys, welcome back to Edutainment V. Are you wondering why I'm shooting this narrow stream of water coming from a tap? Well, I can bend it. Actually, what you saw me do there was 100% real, but I was actually rubbing the balloon on my hair. And I was doing that because my hair has negatively charged electrons that jump to this balloon. So now the balloon has extra electrons that are negatively charged. So, and this stream of water is neutral, which means it has the same number of positive and negatively charged electrons. Have you guys heard of the term opposites attract? Well, that's actually a science term, and that is what's happening right now. The negatively charged electrons from this balloon are attracted to the positively charged electrons from the water. So when I put the balloon near the water, it bends towards it, like this. Hi guys, welcome back to Kitchen.